G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. Today I've got Cardi with me from EC Credit Control. We're going to talk over credit and the safety net that we can have providing credit to the different people in our trade. G'day Cardi.
G'day Joe, thanks for having me.
No worries. Please talk to me through how the credit, it's one of the biggest things in building and the construction industry is the risk associated with credit.
Yep. Spot on, Joe. So a lot of the guys in trades offer goods and services on payment terms. So they do the work, buy the materials, and then they give their customers 7 days or more to pay for the work already done. So there's risks, as you say, inherent with getting paid on time, getting paid in full, and what happens if your customer goes broke and you're awaiting payment. So we write legal terms and conditions of trade, which is really about protecting your business, Joe, protecting your hard work, your income, your cash flow, because a lot of times you're outlaying all the costs to deliver that job. So you're paying for your guys, you're paying for the materials, and then you invoice your customer and you're sort of nervously waiting for payment 30 days later, hoping that they'll pay you on time. In full, and that hoping that they don't collapse in the meantime or later down the road.
Does this also allow us to chase money? So when I say that, if we have our payment within 7 days and it goes to 10 days, does it give us the ability to be able to chase that? And if it leads out even longer, so let's say 30 days, does it allow us to be able to put on interest? Yeah?
That's a really good point, Joe. So we've been around for 30 years in Australia and New Zealand. We used to only just do debt collection. And exactly as you pointed out, it's a lot easier, we found, to collect debt for our clients if they have an agreement with their customers. So it gives you more muscles as a business to motivate the debtors to respect your payment terms, to pay up. And obviously gives us that ability, as you say, to pass on, for example, debt collection fees, because you shouldn't have to spend money to chase after money that's rightfully yours in the first place. The only catch is, Joe, you need to have it written in your terms and conditions that you give to your customers at the time of quoting or before the job is done.
And you do that though. If I gave you my details as a business, you would be able to custom make me an agreement.
Spot on. So we can custom make an agreement for your business that you give to your customers that protects your business.
What if I have different customers? So let's say I work for a commercial firm and then next week I work for a residential firm. Can you custom make something for each one?
Definitely. The way that we do it, Joe, is we want to make the system as simple as possible for you.
Okay.
So quite often we can write one terms and conditions that suits all of your customers, so you don't have to think which one do you use with which customer. You just use one document all the time. It's a system, you don't even have to think about it.
Unreal.
And then the other one that you brought up as well in the introduction, Joe, is the other side is your relationship with your subbies. So other than us writing an agreement for you and your customers, we write an agreement for you and your subbies, which helps you to legally have control over projects on your job sites and indemnify and protect you against any implications from tax, from WorkSafe insurance when you're using a subcontractor. And then it helps protect you in scenarios like what happens if your subby gets injured, or if they injure somebody else, what happens if they accidentally damage property on a job when working for you. And really to help obligate them to complete their job to the satisfaction and schedule that you've agreed on.
Okay, rightio. If I have a subcontractor on site and they stuff everything up, we have now just been passed a bill where the subcontractor is held responsible. So everybody has to be a DBL, Domestic Builder Limited, or a registered trade. So now if that's the case, it's only just been passed, that's going to change all of this. So not only are you going to be able to provide that for me, but if there is somebody that's a subcontractor out there, will you be able to make something up for them for this as soon as you've known the rules and the regulations? Okay.
Chances are, Joe, our team's already probably been briefed on it. I wasn't aware of it until you told me. I think that's really exciting for the industry and certainly for the customers. But as you told me before,
it's a game changer.
But it would mean that everybody should have professional legal documentation.
Yeah, right, okay. So there you go. If anybody out there has any questions on documentation as a subcontractor, or if you hire subbies, please come and see Cardi or EC Credit Control, and they'll help you out wherever they can. Anything else that you need me to help you out with, send me over an email and I'll help you out where I can, whenever I can. Thanks for watching, and like always, everyone, stay unreal banana peel, and I'll see you in the soup. Thanks, Cardi.
Thank you, Joe. That was great.